friends, today let's learn G. G is for got. Got. G is for grapes. Grapes. G is for gift box. Gift. G is for grass. Grass. G is for grasshopper. Grasshopper. G is for gate. Gate. G is for girl. Girl. G is for guitar. Guitar. G is for goose. Goose. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. G is for glue. Glue. G is for ghost. Ghost. G is for garlic. Garlic. G is for guava. Guava. G is for glass. Glass. Bye.